Hello everyone, my name is Venkata Krishna. I am third year BCA student from Sri Aditya Degree College, Bhimavaram. I have developed a project, Waste Segregation Identifier. The main aim of this project is to classify waste into different categories such as recyclable, organic, hazardous, and general waste. So I have developed this project uh, to make it effective, the waste management segregation in everyday usage and also for every person. So let us see how this project works. So basically, I developed a website and posted it online to how to work this. For example, here we can choose the image like the object which we want to classify as it which type of waste it is. So I will choose an image. Click on the image. You can select the image. For example, here I've taken some spoiled batteries or something like that. We'll open that image. So based on that, it classifies. See, it is classified. This is hazardous. So it tells that whether the thing present in the image, whether it is hazardous, recyclable, organic, or general type of waste. So to understand for the user better, I have also written which can be considered as a hazardous, which is recyclable, which is organic, and which is general. This is because for the further development of the project. Let us see also some other examples how it works for other things. For example, you can take this water bottle. See, this is recyclable. You know the plastic recyclable, so it identified correctly and it also given the output to us. Let us try for the organic type of waste. So, see, let's take the vegetables and the fruits waste. So this is organic. So in this way, it classifies the objects based on the model training I have given it. So coming to the working, so what is the back happening beyond this version? How it is classifying it? Let's go to the code. So coming to the code. So mainly I use the technology stack. What is the technology stack I use there is for the front end I have used the HTML5, CSS3 and JavaScript to develop the neat and clean user interface and also which to be make it simple. And coming to the model, I used TensorFlow.js. So I have to integrate that model into our JavaScript. So I use TensorFlow.js and I trained this model using Google Teachable Machine. For this, I have collected nearly 20,000 of images for different categories. We have four categories like general waste, hazardous waste, and also we have organic and also have recyclable. So for each category is nearly I collected about 5,000 images and I trained all that. There would be I also make sure that does not go to the overfitting or underfitting. Also the model should be biased. So I have the ample amount of images like nearly 2,000 for category and I trained them. So based on that, it developed a model and I used the TensorFlow.js script to integrate with my JavaScript and using the model here. So you can see the code where actually what happens is here. So I will the load model. Actually, we don't need a why I use the teachable machine. We can also use the traditional way of using the Python to train the model, and we can do it. But it takes a lot of time compared to the this teachable machine. And also in the teachable machine, we don't need to maintain any server to load the images and everything. It maintains in the online server itself. So here, the main part of the program is here loading the model. So we load the model from the teachable Google Teachable Machine using the TM image library. So the model is loaded here, and we get all the details about the model and the metadata, which should be known to the model, like what are the classes are present in the data we give and how to classify it, everything. So it classifies. How does it classify? If you go to the logic of how does it classify? For example, you get an image. See, here you get a const. Taken the image is loaded here. When the image is loaded, it goes to all the four type of classes, and it calculates the confidence or like the probability. What is the probability of it being a hazardous? What is the probability of it being what do we say? It being recyclable, or what is the probability of it being organic? So it gives a confidence score of all the four categories. Based on that, it checks if the where it is see if the prediction class is the probability more which is the more highest of all these things, then that is considered its class name. So based on that class name, it gives a color. See, for a recyclable, it gives a different color. So I have a recyclable, you have blue color and organic color. So in this way, the user can understand, and also the class is predicted based on the backend logic, and which is having the more confidence score. So coming to the next part, so that's the working of this website. So coming to the user interface, so I have developed using CSS and HTML. I give details, so I just made it simple. And also in the future, I want to add some features like real-time classification. Like in here, you have to upload the image and then it classifies on to which category. But I want to implement real-time classification. Like you have to like scan a product, or maybe you have to open your camera and just show that image to the show the product to the uh, in the phone camera. Then it classifies automatically whether it belongs to which category and also gives a confidence score. Like how much probability it would be like either it is hazardous or it should be considered recyclable or it should be in the middle category, not like classifying into single category. And also, I want to add the user feedback loop for this because the model needs to be trained and trained to be accurate, more accurate. So if I add a user feedback loop, because I have given what should be considered organic, what should be considered hazardous, what should be considered as a recyclable. So based on that, if the model gives any wrong type of information, the user can share his feedback. So then I want to include the feedback and train the model and tune the model more and more. So then at last we can get a perfect model which can classify these images perfectly. That's it. So the main aim of this project is to make the process very simple and easy to understand for everyone. Thank you for watching my demo.